the fifth example. And what is said here, a small bar magnet is moved through a coil at constant speed at one end to the other end. Which of the following series of observation will be seen in the galvanometer attached? So here as you can see, let us say this is the turns of the coil which is on this end. Let us suppose this end of the magnet is south pole and it is coming toward the coil. As south pole is coming toward the coil, and due to this the flux link with the coil is changing, so in order to oppose the motion of magnet, the magnet should induce here south pole, and on this side there will be north pole. As here there is a south pole, so current induced direction will be like this in this coil. Okay, this one. Now in the second part, when magnet get inside the coil, so when magnet get inside the coil, then in that case the flux link with the coil will not change, it will remain constant because magnet is completely inside the coil. So flux link with the coil is constant, so induced current and induced EMF both would be zero in that case. Okay, and now the magnet is moving away. So here this is the south and this is the north pole. As the flux due to the coil is decreasing in this case because the north pole is going away, so in order to stop or oppose the motion of magnet, the coil will induce south pole here. So initially in the first case north pole was here, now here it is the south pole. So it is but obvious the direction of current would induce would be different. So here the induced current is having some direction, induced current is 0 and induced current is having opposite direction on the either side of the galvanometer. So the only A option is correct because initially the galvanometer will show deflection towards right, then it will show 0 deflection, and then it will show towards left. In B option, this particular deflection is not possible. This deflection is not possible because galvanometer shows only deflection from till here to here. Okay, so option A is right. Thank you.